Today, we're going to talk about an important development in the realm of military technology that could have significant global implications. According to Russian state news agency, TASS, Russia's Pacific Fleet is reportedly working on action plans to create a new division of submarines armed with Poseidon nuclear drone torpedoes. These Poseidon torpedoes have been specifically designed to target coastal cities by generating man-made radioactive tsunamis using high-yield nuclear warheads. The implications of such a weapon system are truly staggering, and understandably, this plan has been met with skepticism. Critics argue that the energy from the torpedoes could dissipate under the sea, rendering them ineffective. However, these torpedoes could still be used to hit coastal assets directly, with some speculating that they could even be salted with cobalt to increase their destructive potential. According to a TASS report, a division of special-purpose submarines armed with Poseidon torpedoes is expected to come into operation in the Russian Pacific Fleet by early 2025. Russian media also reported in January that the first batch of these drone torpedoes had been successfully delivered. Each Poseidon torpedo is nearly 3 times wider than a typical heavyweight torpedo and is powered by a nuclear reactor, giving it almost infinite endurance. Russian reports claim that it can dive 3,281 feet deep, which is far beyond the crush depth of U.S. Mark 48 torpedoes, and can reach speeds of up to 70 knots. The development of these Poseidon nuclear drone torpedoes highlights the rapidly evolving landscape of military technology. As the global community grapples with the implications of such advancements, it's crucial that we remain informed and vigilant. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest news and developments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.